pronouncing the correct sound of alphabet and letters. Here are some words written for N sound. Here N sound word. Here in word N name.
Name what or name. B for bat, bus, bed, boat, ball, duck. T for cup,
Very nice.
table, tiger,
Look
tire,
at the streets. Everyone.
tire. P for pen, pen, gum, for
Be ready the next.
apple.
She has completed. Clap for her. Now, next girl come forward to read the street, to utter the words on the street. Inshra, come forward. Take your strips in your hand and perform here. Flashes the strips.
S for glass, sun, sister,
S for
Z for zip, size,
Z
zebra,
for zebra, size, zebra, zilla.
zero. F for fish, are, fast, after, frog, office.
Here we are easily pronouns and voice to familiarize to our learners.
N for net, on, pound, pond, name, rain, can. M for man, come, mark, jump, mug, jump. A for apple, ball, earth.
Very nice, very nice. Take your seat. Now you, Ayan, come forward. Flashes the strips first to your colleagues. Chalo, next. Who will go front? Nashra, will you go front? Now, now come here. Flashes. हाँ. Nice. Who will go next? Rehan, come forward. Come on.
Rose, frog, red, are, brother. Gate, garlic, pot, garlic, grass, gate, girl, gun.
वैसे रख.
Kite, gate, us, kite, gate, click.
Nice.
Joker, white, six, trumpet, jail,
Nice.
Empire, umbrella, platform, seat, side, razor, zebra. B for van, hat, mirror, baggy. Look, well, lawyer, police. Keyboard, tiger, cat, cook, top, chest. C for cup, cream, cup, dog. B for
दिखाओ.
B for cat, habit, cup, dog. W for cow, wall, watch, bag.
हाँ.
O for ox, very, oil, jacket.
हाँ.
Ay, cuartos.
हाँ.
Kite,
आस.
ass, kite, yogurt, bull. No.
बैठ. Thank you. Follow.